What's going on, guys? My battery is actually going dead on this, so it'll be a quick video, but I want to give you an update on some things. I know it's been a while. Don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, and all that good stuff. We're going to be practicing tomorrow. Quick thing, I did end up selling the DRS Express. Great car. I ended up just buying a Serpent 748. I think my whole fleet is all going to be Serpent. Serpent was one of the first companies that made me a dealer, so I think it just makes it right. I've heard about them forever, that I just supply Serpent cars. Well, I'm going to supply all types of cars, but I should support them and run their cars. So I'm going to get into racing more often. You'll see more videos on that, drag racing, on-road racing, all that stuff. So yeah, the drag NOLA DRS or DR1S is sold. Somebody's coming to pick that up. Full car. This car has a Trinity 3.5 turn motor on it, a Hobbywing XR8 ESC. Great ESC. I love the Hobbywing. You can do turbo boost, all that. It's a censored setup. Not sure what I'm going to run on the 748E, but I got things coming on. We also got the new GT Serpent SRX8 GTE ready to run. Great car. We have these on the site. I actually have a customer coming to pick this up. This car just needs battery and stuff like that. We'll take this out so you guys can take a look at it. And I'll actually do that. So, but a lot of things are selling. We're getting packed with some stuff. We carry Aeromax stuff. So does Serpent. So if you need anything with Aeromax tires, foam tires, the GQ foam tires, a lot of people have been liking those. I'm actually gonna start getting their 8 scale tires. People are using them, so it's really good stuff. The shop is looking pretty good. We've got some cars. I'm still waiting for this customer to pick this one up, this drag car up, and we have this X-Ray that I did buy, but you know, didn't come with the engine, stuff like that, because I got it from Bahia and they took the engine, and I got a tank for it. But I might just end up selling it. Actually, it is on eBay. I put it up for sale, so it's actually gonna be up for sale. So that's up for sale. If anybody's interested in that, I actually will put the link down below for the eBay thing. So I'll supply some foam tires with it. I did get a tank, so I'll supply that. So there's an X-Ray NT1 NTS, or I think it's NT1. So that's there. We're still doing things with the Maverick. Sorry, with the AC's on, it's hot in here. The Maverick got the Castle copperhead system. I bent the axles on 2 of these, the drive shafts, whatever you want to call them, CVDs. So I gotta get 2 more of those. But yeah, let me show you guys this GT car. All right, here's the GT. This baby looks sweet. Look at comparison from the 10 scale. What a big difference. I never had a GT. I've seen a couple Hoboas, or however you want to call them, Hobeos. But this comes ready to run. Here, let me unpop this. Take these pins off. Because the guy's coming. So, here's that. The body comes already painted. It looks like it still has a clear film on it until somebody buys it. But here we go. It comes with a 1900 kV motor. You can run a 4S on it. I forgot what size the ESC is. I think it's like 120 amp. But it does come with a plug, so you can put. And these use Dean's plug. Of course, you can always change them and put the different plugs or adapter. But it looks pretty decent. I mean, I'm interested to see what it's going to do even tomorrow. Really nice car, already set up. I don't have any foam, so the tires feel kind of firm. It's really nice. Aluminum shock mounts. If people start buying these, I'm sure there'll be some aftermarket setups on it. You know, like maybe the chassis, do it aftermarket, would be really nice in carbon fiber. I mean, I wouldn't say do the shock mounts in carbon fiber, because it probably needs the strength to it. Buy some foams. I don't have any foams, but looks really good. I like it. It's got a diffuser in the back, aluminum chassis, Serpent logo all over it. I know the Serpent does have a kit that you can buy, and I think that one's a little bit more legit. This also comes in a nitro version, so you can see it right here. They come in a nitro version, and also the other one that they race, so for on-road racing. But this looks pretty good. It's a good starter car. You know, if people like it, probably just upgrade it if you get tired of this. You know, it looks like the can, you could definitely put a Hobby 1 can in there easily, and a castle system, 8-scale castle system. So, or even a Spectrum system, but you know, some people just go TP and all that kind of stuff. But here you go. Here's the GT. I got 2 of them if anybody's interested in those. One's going to actually be one of them left. And anything else we got going on, we got motors and all that good stuff, bodies, Tamiya stuff. This thing is pretty sweet. I'm surprised I haven't sold this yet. I'm sure somebody's going to like that in the winter time, so it'll be gone. And here's another one right there. It's a little buggy. So, quick video. I just want to give you guys some updates on the stuff we got going on. Subscribe, don't forget. I'm watching you. Bye.